this is always one of my favorite times to talk with my friends from the Iowa Clinic. I've got Dr. Otis from the urgent care up in Ankeny. We're celebrating the summer months, but we're also saying, hey, don't be an idiot. And I point directly at myself, Dr. Otis. I'm a big fireworks guy. I am also a guy who will go out to Saylorville Lake and I won't put sunscreen on like a moron. And we're here with you to tell people, let's be a little bit smarter so we don't have to come see you in urgent care this summer. What are some quick tips you have for people?
Yeah, agreed. I think whether you're out at the lake or whether it's lighting off fireworks or just general summer activities is just use common sense. And it's easy to get carried away. Sometimes there are long weekends and long days, and sometimes there's other things involved like alcohol. And so it's mostly just about using common sense, not just to protect yourself, but to protect others around you, especially, if you're out boating on the lake, if you're just out at the lake, period. If you're lighting off fireworks, you have to be conscientious of other people around you and take care of others in the community as well as yourself. And so there's always little things like you talked about, wearing sunblock when you're out and about, being careful with the alcohol, having fun, but not too much fun, knowing your limitations, and just trying to be as careful as you can with fireworks. You'll see things that talk about wearing safety goggles and wearing protective equipment and having water around, and that all looks good on paper, but we both know that nobody really does that. So it really kind of just boils down to common sense. I think everybody has a good idea, especially with fireworks safety, about what is a good idea and what's a bad idea. And again, that can be tempered by what kind of day we're having. So just using common sense and remember that it's not always about protecting yourself, but just protecting everybody else around you, whether it's neighbors, kids, the rest of the community.
Boy, another one too is mixing in a water, right?
Yeah.
If you're having some beers at the lake or you're in a pool and it's hot, those things can go down pretty quick. Throw a little water in there, right?
Yep. Absolutely a great idea. Stay hydrated. Again, it kind of comes down to common sense, but sometimes those days are long, especially those long weekend, holiday weekends. It's easy to forget those kind of things. So yeah, taking care of yourself throughout the day, it'll help make the day go better and help you make better decisions.
Doc, we appreciate it. You guys are my home base there, the Iowa Clinic in Ankeny, and hopefully I don't have to come in and see you in the coming months. Hopefully I don't
100%.
blow off a finger or anything like that. I'll do
Well,
my
I always
best.
say we hope not to have to see you, but we're here if you need us.
He's Dr. Otis, urgent care at the Iowa Clinic in Ankeny. Don't forget about them, and hopefully you don't got to see him coming up here in the summer months.